Gold and silver traded in a no trade zone yesterday. We have seen a sluggish movement throughout the day, specifically the US markets were closed due to Labor Day off, and thus we have seen hardly any movement in gold and silver. Now, today again, we have seen metal starting on a slight bearish note, but again, on the downside, it appears 28 zone for silver and 2490 levels for gold are proven out to be a greater support here. Now, what to expect today? How to profit trading gold and we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch. On the hourly charts, you can see moving averages are bearish here looking downwards. Double bottom is formed here at 2490. Yesterday also we have seen prices reversing from the same levels, and today again it has hit the same zone and trying to bounce back. If you see the complete movement, see 2505 first resistance zone and 251012 the second zone. This complete zone between 2505 to 2512 is going to remain critical for gold today as well. Any movement above this is only where you can see that it is trying to trade bullish. Now, if you look at the last few candles, see straight bearish candles, a bigger tail trying to bounce back. Possibility of prices moving towards 2498, 2500. But as I said, 2505 and 251012. Very good resistance will be seen in between these levels. A stochastic rising, MACD has retraced after hitting the lows and now trying to stabilize a bit. RSI is also flat here. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour charts, the preceding candle could be a reversal candle. We have to wait for the current candle to move towards 2498, and then we can look forward to a little rise towards 2502, 2505, and in fact 251012 zone. Possibility exists. A stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here trying to converge, RSI is staying flat, and here also the moving averages have crossed over, which is a bearish sign, and that is what makes us these levels a very strong resistance zone, and it indicates that on the upside we have to be very cautious till 2512. If you look at the 3 hour chart, same observation, moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. See retracement, bearish candles, support here, double bottom trying to bounce back. Any move beyond 2498, 2502 should be a confirmation that little more rise can be seen here. But again, as I said, the levels 2505, 2510, 12, very strong. Stochastic almost at bottom. MACD is also trading bearish. RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to 4, observation is more or less same here. Divide this into 2, symmetry here, double bottom here. Possibly we can see a similar candle here. It can keep moving towards this zone, but I will say do not treat gold as bullish as of now. You can say that, see this triple formation here, triple top here, 2530 levels. Very strong resistance is seen, and since then we have seen it trading bearish. Also, after a long while now, moving averages on the 4 hour charts are also convergent and are willing to cross over. Not a good sign for the bulls, and this makes this zone as a greater resistance. We have to observe how it behaves there. In fact, even if it breaks 2510, 2512, we can possibly see the next milestone towards 2520 levels, the greater resistance here. Beyond 2520, more bullishness may prevail. The stochastic looking down, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. We trade diverse instruments including indices and commodities in a single channel from across the globe. So yes, do join it today and enjoy profits. And yes, do not miss to join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. Yes, it offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads, and yes, also it offers you a safer environment, easier transactions, easier withdrawals. Thus, do not miss to join. And if you join through the link, you'll definitely get the best offers. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, one important thing is to note that the 20 period moving average prices have achieved, and it is finding a good support here at this zone, and C2490 level certainly is a very good support for now. But if you look at the formation, see after staying bearish here, after getting resistance from this zone, we have seen a modest bearish candle, and today if it breaks below 2490, 2488, stay short. We are looking forward to 2484, 85. and 2478.80. Once these two levels are taken, 2470, 2450 levels are easily achievable. See, once gold comes out of the 20 period moving average and the support zone, we can see a greater slide which can in fact take the prices towards 2450 and lower levels. So be mindful of this. If you are looking at the stochastic, this is at bottom. The MACD here has crossed over. Though this crossover is not coming at an elevated levels, but yes, for the last 2 to 3 times you have seen prices reversing from this zone. RSI is looking downwards. That is also slight bearish sign. Considering this, very simple, sell at 2488.90 zone and expect 2484.85 first, 2478.80 second, and then 2470 levels. Below 2470, ideally I will be looking forward to 2448.50 and in fact lower levels very soon. On the upside, I will recommend a buy because see, it has formed a double bottom. It is possible that it could rise here, and thus you can buy 2498, but 2502, 2505, 2510, 2516, 2520, very nearby resistances till 2520. Beyond 2520 is where 2526 and 2530 levels will come, the stronger resistance level which we have seen in the last few days. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver on the hourly charts. Moving average is bearish here, yes, trading with divergence. What has happened on silver? If you look at the formation here, see, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Consolidation is going on here. It is not retracing. What has happened here? You can see the drop here, the retracement, and now it is consolidating and looking downwards. Certainly you can notice this, that 2830, 2820 is the zone where it has got maximum support. Also on the upside, you should notice it is getting maximum resistance here from the 20 period moving average. Thus 2860, 70 is the zone where maximum resistance will be offered here for silver. If it reverses and trades about 2860, when you see the lower price about 2860 and 2870, you can say that the bulls will take over, and then you can look forward to $29 levels. The stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI right now looking downwards, right now staying bearish. Look at the 2 hour charts, almost a double top, preceding candle, a swing candle, current candle trying to look downwards, and yes, it can slide, but you can see greater support is seen here. And as long as it stays about 2830-20 zone, we should not be treating silver as bearish. Yes, it could reverse, yes, it could reverse the trend in a single candle. We have to watch out where the current candle closes. Yes, stochastic is rising. MACD has also crossed over at slightly lower levels, and it suggests that there is a possibility of a recovery. RSI at bottom coming to 3. On the 3 hour charts, what has happened? Double top is seen here. Greater resistance is seen for the last 3 candles, increasing body size, suggestive of slight bearishness. But I will say that as long as 2830-20 zone is not taken, we have to be careful here with the selling entries here. Also, if you look at the formation, drop, retracement, and if you look at the moving averages here, are certainly crossed over and are trading with a strong divergence, suggestive of a strong bearishness. And this makes this zone here at on the upside 29-20 as a greater resistance. Stochastic has retraced, MACD trying to converge, crossover for the buys, RSI is at bottom. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour charts, preceding candle, a swing candle, and a double top, and the current candle starting on a bearish note. We have to watch out how it behaves in between this zone. This is going to be a prime support zone. And yes, the moving averages are certainly trading with divergence and are staying bearish. RSI stochastic rising, MACD has so far traded bearish, trying to converge a bit. Let's see if it shows a crossover. RSI is at oversold levels. Coming to now, look at daily chart, see what has happened, straight bearishness, and after a long while now moving averages again crossing over, bearish sign, making 29-20 as the greatest hurdle which silver need to break in order to stay bullish, in order to bounce back. And then ultimately 29.50, these 3 levels are taken, then we can say now silver is on a reversal course, and then you can say that it has formed a nice flag and willing to give a breakout. So till 29-20 we have to be extremely watchful, careful, alert. What has happened today? It has already started on a slight bearish note. We have seen it hitting lower lows here and trying to now recover. So once you see silver staying above 28.60, you can say slight rise can be seen. But again, I will be warning you for be cautious, as long as the first resistance should be very nearby at 28.75.80, second should be at 28.95.29, and the third as 29.20. As long as these 3 levels are not taken on the upside, we should not be treating silver as bullish. Yes, only about 29, 29.20, you can say that the bulls are taking over, and then we can look forward to 29.50. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here in silver. Also, see, before I give you the selling entry, look at the stochastic. This has come to extremely oversold zone, but look at MACD just crossing over, trading with divergence. This suggests there is room for bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. So yes, on the downside, 28.20 levels, 28.30 levels, this is the zone where it has got maximum support. Any move below 28.30.20 should bring more bearishness towards 28.27.75 and 27.50. Yes, once silver starts to slide, it gives a stronger momentum. So below 28 is where real bearishness will be seen, and 27.75, 27.50 levels can also be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again before the US session. Do join the free Telegram channel for notifications.